Welcome back. Here we have this form negative square root, a square root of negative 8 multiplied by the square root of negative 24 multiplied by the square root of negative 48. Supposed to be, before we say that this cannot be, no? Bawal mag-take sa square root sa negative number. It's because we limit ourselves in that part to work only with real numbers. But now, we're expanding our horizon and we are now treating things with complex numbers. So, pwede na ta magkuha na ni. And how do you evaluate square root of negative 8? The idea is square root of negative 8 could just be thought of square root of negative 8 could just be thought of square root of negative 1 times 8, right? That's how we define 8. And we know that square root of a product could just be what? Square root of negative 1 times square root of 8. Pareho lang na sila. That's how we work with the square root sign. And then, lastly, we could just work that out as what is what is square root of negative 1? That is simply I, right? By another definition, because we define I squared is equal to 1. And I think from here, one can say that I squared is equal to negative 1. I could just be thought of the principal square root of negative 1. Meaning, ang plus minus kung supposed to be ng square root. But in this case, let's have this. This is I, right? So that can be thought of I times square root of 8. Yun na lang akong sulat ang I kay basin man gud kung isulat diri ang I sa ikaduha, basin ma-assume na to nga apil siya sa square. But in this case, wala na siya na apil. So this one could just be thought of I times square root of 8. This one also could just be thought of I times square root of 24. And lastly, this one could be thought of I times square root of 48. Then we know I times I times I will have I cubed. Okay, we'll have I cubed times square root of 8 square root of 24 times square root of 48. But how do we evaluate this square root thing now? Depende sa kwan, no? Depende sa pagsabot sa kwan problem. But this could be thought of, ato sang ipagawas, ang pwede man itong mapagawas ng 8. For example, we know that 8 is, unsa man na siya, 4 times 2, right? So, para ma-simplify na to ang kung pwede na pa kayo pwede factor pwede ma-square root, then you take the square root of that. 8 is simply 4 times 2, and we know that 4 is square root of that is 2. And how about 24? Well, 24 could be thought of 4 times 6. Okay? So meaning mapagawas nimo diha ang 4. And lastly, 48 could be thought of square root of 48 is simply mapagawas pa nimo diha ang sagaha. Well, 48 that's 4 times 12, or that's simply 16 times 3. And 16 kaya naman siya i-con square. So 16 times 3. So in that sense, one could just, kabulumanta nga, mapagawas mo ng 2, so that will become I cubed. Square root of 4 times 2 is simply 2, 2 times square root of 2. Multiply again by this one, it will be 2 times square root of 6. This one, 4. Ang square root sa 16 kay 4 man. 4 times square root of 3. Ang mabilin. So, lastly, we have I cube. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 4, that's 16. Okay? Ang mabilin dayon kay square root of 2, square root of 6, square root of 3. And actually, we can just group them together to have I cube times 16 times square root of 2 times, pwede sila isulod sa square root, okay? 2 times 6, that's 12, times 3. Well, 2 times 6 is 12, times 3 is simply 36. Okay? Tama ba? 2 times 6 is 3. Then, 2 times 6 is 12, times 3 is 36. And I think 36 can still be factored, right? Because 36 is just equal to 36 is 4 times 9. Tama. 6 man, diba? Square root of 36. Oh, tama. 6. So, therefore, this is just I cubed times 16 times 6. Well, that's good. What is 16 times 6 equal to? Well, 16 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 1 is 1. 6 times 3 is 9. Oh, 6 times 6. 36, 6 times 1 is 1, 6 times 3 is 9, that's 96. I cube times 96. But finally, let me take a look again to I cube. What is I cube really? Well, kabalo man ko nga ang I cube is simply equal to, well, ang I squared kay negative 1, right? And we know that I cube is simply I squared times I, right? So therefore, kung imong I cube, kuan lang din na siya. Negative, ang I squared kay negative 1 man. So negative 1 times, ang I cube kay I squared times I man. So negative 1 times I times 96. And in that sense, mas minus wala na una ang 96. So negative 96 I. Okay? This is the answer. So this thing is just equal to negative 96 I. Okay? Ingana lang kadali. Ang pagwalang ana is dapat kabulo ka ma-evaluate sa square root. Wala kay calculus. Pero kung na kay calculus, dali lang tayo. But anyway, I don't think you will use calculator with this. That's it. Thank you.